Walt, I don't know, man. You've been seeming sus lately. It's almost like we have an imposter among us. I saw that you won. Don't lie to me, Walt! You sussy baka!
سنبل يلا نروح حبيبي.
Hold on, guys. The dumbass wants to speak. Go ahead, man. We're listening.
Why do you gotta be such a sussy bucka?
Oh no, Steve did pee-pee. Yay, Steve loves pee-pee. Woo! Pee-pee. Thumbs up for pee-pee.
Che